Good morning everyone. How are you all? Okay, so now we are going to solve the exercise sheet number 11 in English 1, that is punctuation. Okay, so let us start it. Question number 1, rewrite these sentences, place an apostrophe correctly. Means first of all you have to rewrite these sentences by using द एपोस्ट्रॉफी करेक्टली. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस लगाना है एंड यू हैव टू देन रीराइट द होल सेंटेंस. ओके, फर्स्ट इज आई ड्रिंक काउस मिल्क. सो काउस मिल्क विल बी काउज मिल्क. ओके, मतलब काउ का दूध, गाय का दूध. सो दिस वे. सो यहाँ पे आई शुड बी कैपिटल, आई ड्रिंक काउ एंड देन एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस, काउस मिल्क, फुल स्टॉप. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड इज दिस इज जयास डेस्क. तो जयास डेस्क मतलब जया का डेस्क. तो यहाँ पे एस इज देयर बट इट शुड बी एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू रीराइट द सेंटेंस. दिस इज जयास, दिस इज जे, हाँ बेटा ये जे लिखा है मैम ने, एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस, जयास डेस्क. ओके, चलो नाउ थर्ड इज माई ब्रदर्स बर्थडे इज नेक्स्ट वीक. सो माई ब्रदर्स बर्थडे, मेरे भाई का बर्थडे. तो यहाँ पे एस शुड बी कैपिटल, मीन्स एपोस्ट्रॉफी. ओके, सो एम शुड बी कैपिटल, माई ब्रदर एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस, ब्रदर्स बर्थडे इज नेक्स्ट वीक. ठीक है, एंड फुल स्टॉप. चलो नाउ द फोर्थ नंबर इज जैक टेक्स्ट बुक वॉज इन हिज बैकपैक. सो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली एस हैज नॉट बीन रिटन बेटा, यहाँ पे एस है, मतलब जैक की टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, वॉज इन हिज बैकपैक मतलब वो जो पीछे बैग भराया हुआ है उसका, उसमें उसकी टेक्स्ट बुक है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट, जैक एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस, जैक्स टेक्स्ट बुक was in his backpack. ओके, बैकपैक मीन्स बैग ओनली. ओके, यहाँ पे देखो एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस हैज नॉट बीन गिवन, बट यहाँ पे आपको गेस करना है दैट एपोस्ट्रॉफी शुड बी देयर, अदरवाइज इट इज सेंटेंस विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एस टाइप नहीं हुआ है, बट यू हैव टू से यू हैव टू गेस इट लाइक कि हियर एस इज देयर, सो दैट इज वाई आई हैव रिटन एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस दैट वे. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज वी हैड गॉन टू आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स फार्म फॉर अ पिकनिक. मतलब हम पिकनिक में हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के फार्म पे गए थे. नाउ as you know that grandparents, तो grandparents are in plural. okay, तो यहाँ जब आप plural में apostrophe लिखोगे then the rule will be changed. okay, let me write it, then I will explain the same thing. We had gone to our grandparents. okay, parents. So देखो यहाँ पे I have written the word in plural only, but I have not put the apostrophe s. Now what is the way of writing the apostrophe s for the plural nouns? So here simply you have to add apostrophe, that sign after s only. देखो after s only that sign will be there, so it will be considered as the apostrophe s also and the plural s also, both together. okay, so यहाँ पे आपको जब भी whenever the word will come in plural only and if you want to show the apostrophe s also, then that time you need to add apostrophe after the word, that is after the s only. okay, that is the correct way of writing apostrophe s for the plural nouns or plural words. okay, farm for a picnic, farm for a picnic, and full stop. okay, chalo let us move to the next one. This is Riya's book. okay, so here also Riya's book is there, so apostrophe should be there. This is Riya and apostrophe s, Riya's book, full stop. okay, chalo let us move to the next one. 7, this is my dog's collar. मतलब ये मेरे डॉग का कॉलर है. कॉलर मीन्स पट्टा पहनता है ना डॉग्स, वही वाला. ठीक है, सो टी शुड बी कैपिटल. दिस इज माई डॉग एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस, डॉग्स कॉलर, फुल स्टॉप. ओके, चलो 8 is I kept the book in Rohan's desk. तो रोहन्स मीन्स यहाँ पे एपोस्ट्रॉफी आएगा. I kept the book in, R should be capital, Rohan's desk and full stop. Okay, chalo, let us move to question number 2. Rewrite these sentences using short forms. Okay, so I have taught you what are the short forms, that is contractions. हमने पढ़े हैं contractions कौन कौन से है. So we are going to write the same contractions or the short forms of the sentences. Now we must not litter. So यहाँ पे what is the contraction बेटा, construction कौन सा है, must not. तो what is the way of writing must not in short form? So I am writing, you just watch it. Okay, we मस्ट लिखा, उसके बाद नॉट को कैसे लिखेंगे बेटा, एन शुड बी देयर, देन स्मॉल एपोस्ट्रॉफी विल बी देयर, मस्ट नॉट लीटर एंड फुल स्टॉप. ओके, चलो, दिस इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ राइटिंग मस्ट नॉट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आई विल हेल्प यू. सो अगेन आई विल इज देयर. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ राइटिंग, आई मीन्स व्हाट इज द अनदर वे ऑफ राइटिंग आई विल. सो आई विल बी देयर. Okay, then this apostrophe will be there. Then will का पूरा नहीं लिखेंगे, only double L will be there. I will help you, full stop. Okay, got it. चलो, let us move to the next page. Okay, now question number 3, we are going to the market. So here we are, मतलब जो we are है हम उसको short form में लिखेंगे. So W should be capital, V. Again that apostrophe will be there and R पूरा नहीं लिखेंगे, only RE. Okay, so this is called VR. Okay, VR, then going to the market. Going to the market and full stop. Okay, चलो. Fourth is do not cross the road on a red light. ठीक है. So now here do not has been given. So do not को कैसे लिखेंगे ये तो आपको पता ही है, don't. Okay, so D should be capital, do. And the same way जैसे हमने पहले लिखा था not को, the same way we are going to write not also. Don't cross the road on a red light. ठीक है, full stop. चलो, now fifth is they are tired. So again here they are there. So जब भी are आए तो आपको this way only you are going to write are. ठीक है. So here again I am going to write they fully, THEY they, then apostrophe and are की बदले only we are going to write RE. They are tired. Full stop. Okay. Now sixth is she will come home tomorrow. So again will has come. Again वापस से will आया है तो will पूरा नहीं लिखेंगे, only double L will be written. So she तो पूरा लिखेंगे, she, then apostrophe, double L. Okay. She will come home tomorrow and full stop. Okay, now 7 number, he is not coming tomorrow. So he is has been given. अभी is को short form में कैसे लिखेंगे बेटा? So here he तो पूरा लिखेंगे, then apostrophe will be there and s will be there. This is the way. He is not coming tomorrow and full stop. Now number 8, I cannot untie this note. Now अभी cannot has come, so cannot को कैसे लिखेंगे बेटा? Can't. आप तो पता है ना, can't और can't both are same. Now I can't, मीन्स can लिखा, उसके बाद apostrophe and not. I can't untie this नोट. ओके, मतलब ये जो गांठ है मैं उसको छोड़ नहीं सकता हूँ. नोट मतलब यहाँ पे वो जो गांठ हो जाती है ना जब कोई मतलब ये हो जाता है, कोई रस्सियाँ उलझ जाती है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अनटाई, मतलब छोड़ना. ठीक है. 9 number, we are going to meet our grandparents. Okay, so here also we are there. So the same way यहाँ पे लिखा था वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी लिखेंगे हम. W should be capital. We are going to meet our grandparents and full stop. ठीक है. चलो, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, हु इज एट द डोर. तभी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन इज देयर, बट इज तो वैसे ही लिखेंगे, हु पूरा लिखेंगे, एपोस्ट्रॉफ इज. हु इज एट द door, and as question mark is there, we are going to add question mark also. Okay, chalo. So these are the short forms. Now we are moving towards question number 3. Punctuate and rewrite these sentences. So here what you have to do, you have to given the punctuation marks only. हमने पढ़े हैं what are the punctuation marks. So here you are going to add punctuation marks if it is coming in the sentence. Okay, so here you can see that first of all each and every sentence should begin with the capital letter if it is starting only, है ना. So यहाँ पे भी the sentence is starting but the W is not capital, so we are going to write W capital. Where are you going? So here it is a question but question mark is also not there, so we are going to add that also, है ना. So W should be capital. Where are you going? Okay, and as it is a question, I am going to add question mark. ठीक है, चलो question number 2. I am feeling hot. Here देखो यहाँ पे I am लिखा हुआ है but it is a short form of I am, है ना. So here I के बाद में हम apostrophe लगाएंगे. So here I should be capital. I, then that short form that is apostrophe, am feeling hot. Okay, and as it is not a question, or yes, it is giving you the surprising movement also that I am feeling very hot. Okay, so yes, these are both, we can say that both the kind of expressions. It is a declarative sentence also, and at the same time it gives you the surprising element also. So if you want to add exclamation mark, that is also correct, or if you want to give the full stop, that is also correct. Okay, I am feeling hot. Okay, so here I am only and only writing full stop. ठीक है, I am feeling hot मतलब मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. चलो, hooray, we won the match. So here, as you know that first of all, first letter of that should be capital, so I am writing hooray only. HURRAY. And मैंने बोला था that this is one of the interjections. Okay, I have explained what are the interjections. No doubt in your 4th standard you are going to learn more about them, but अभी के लिए इतना याद रखो that some of the words are there which is giving you the surprising element, also at the same time it is giving you the sorrowful events or very happiness. ठीक है, ये सारे ऐसे words है जो बहुत ज़्यादा excitement show करते हैं, wonder show करते हैं. Okay, so here you can see that hooray, so it shows the excitement, okay, happiness at the same time. So we are going to add exclamation mark after that. Hooray, अरे वाह, we won the match. And after that exclamation mark, again the sentence starts. So again that first letter will be capital. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो W है that is capital. We won the match and full stop. ठीक है, hooray, we won the match. अरे वाह, हम मैच जीत गए. ठीक है. Now question number 4, there is a pencil, a book and an eraser on my desk. So here मैंने बताया था that it is suggesting you the list. It is giving you the list of items. So whenever the list of items will be there, the comma should be placed between the words. Okay, so here also we are going to do the same thing. First of all, first letter will be capital. There is a pencil, then comma, a book, and as देखो and आ गया मतलब the list is मतलब और कोई लिस्ट है नहीं. ठीक है, so and के आगे कभी कॉमा नहीं लगता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, and an eraser on my desk, full stop. समझ में आया बेटा? Here comma will be there as it is a list of items. A pencil means here you have to take a pause or a break. A pencil, a book and an eraser on my desk. Okay, now chalo, let us move to the next page. Okay, now question number 5, get me a glass of water. So here as you know that first letter of the word sentence should be capital. So here get me a glass of water, and as it is a simple sentence we are going to write a full stop. Now 6th is roses, lilies, poppies and daisies are flowers. So here also देखो some of the listed items are there, roses, lilies, poppies. Okay, these are the flowers only. So I am going to write the name capital, means first letter will be capital. Now roses, ROSES, देन कॉमा, फिर आप बोलोगे मैम लिली इज द नेम ऑफ द फ्लावर ना, सो द फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी कैपिटल ओनली, बट हियर द फर्स्ट लेटर विल नॉट बी कैपिटल बेटा, बिकॉज व्हाट डज द रूल ऑफ दैट कैपिटल शो, दैट whenever the proper noun comes then only the first letter of that word should be capital. But यहाँ पे lilies and poppies are the names of the flowers, no doubt, but so many lilies, so many poppies are there, so many roses are also there in the world, so that is why we are not going to write the first name of the letter capital. But यहाँ पे roses से तो start हो रहा था, so that is why only we have written R capital, otherwise the other names of the flowers will be in small only. Okay, so roses, then lilies, L-I-L-I-E-S, lilies, then again comma, poppies, P-O-P-P-I-E-S, poppies, and अभी end आ गया मतलब कॉमा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है, and daisies, and daisies are flowers and full stop, ठीक है. चलो, now question number 7, who ate the cake? So here also the question is there, so first of all W should be capital, who ate the cake, and as it is a question we are going to place question mark. Okay, now question number 8, how old are you? कितने साल के हो आप? So here it is also a question, so we are going to write first letter capital, how old are you, and again question mark will be there, ठीक है. 9, I went to Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. Okay, so you know that these are the names of the states, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. So देखो यहाँ पे Mumbai and Chennai means in M and C are already capital में दिया ही हुआ है, but for Delhi D is not capital, so we are going to write it capital only. Okay, so here I तो दिया हुआ, देखो if the punctuation has already been given in the sentence you don't need to like do more punctuation, और करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जहाँ पे नहीं किया हुआ है वहीं पे करना, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे देखो I ऑलरेडी कैपिटल में दिया ही हुआ है, so we are going to copy it only. I should be capital. I went to Delhi, D should be capital, Delhi, then Mumbai, again the state's name means here the list continues, so that is why I am just going to add comma, Delhi, M should be capital, Mumbai, and अभी end आ गया मतलब और कॉमा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, and Chennai, C should be capital, full stop, ठीक है. चलो, I went to Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai मतलब मैं दिल्ली, मुंबई और चेन्नई गया था या गया हुआ हूँ. Now my best friend is Meera, ठीक है. So here also M should be capital, my best friend is Meera. Now Meera is the name of a girl. Okay, means it's a proper noun. So whenever proper noun comes, the first letter of that noun should be capital. So here Meera ka M should be capital. Okay, full stop. Chalo, let us move to the last exercise. Match the following short forms. Now here some of the short forms are there, so you are going to simply match it only. Okay, R naught. अभी इसमें से ढूंढो R naught कहाँ पे, ये रहा. So we are going to match it. Then does not, ऊपर दिया हुआ है does not. Okay, now did not, तो did not ये रहा, ठीक है. Okay, now is not, must not, I will, then you are, then we are, and he is. देखो, while writing the same exercise in the notebook, what you can do, you can write the answer simply like in front of the question, like R not, तो यहीं पे डैश करके उसका आंसर लिख देना. Don't need to match it like this only. Okay, in the next in the notebook you can just simply write the answer in front of the question only. Okay, chalo, so now we are ending the exercise sheets. Okay, there are 4 questions in that in this exercise sheet, so I hope that your all doubts had been, means no doubt you got the explanation very well, but still if some doubts are there, okay, I am there to explain it in the Zoom lecture. Okay, you can share the same doubts in the Zoom lectures only. Chalo beta, your ma'am is signing off beta, bye bye.